If you want to buy a house in 2026, there are 5 real world mistakes that will absolutely wreck your chances, and nobody's going to point these out and warn you about them except for me. So let's go ahead and get into it. Number 1 is buying a used luxury car because it looks like such a killer deal. The oil changes on something like that cost like $900, and somewhere around the 70,000 mile mark is when those kind of cars like sort of start to go sideways. So then what happens is that the engine blows, and now it's a 10 or 15 grand repair and you can't replace it. So you can't afford that, so you turn the car in and now you've got a repo. Buy something cheap and boring and then go get the hot ride after closing. Number 2, your car gets totaled and then you think that insurance is going to handle everything. Surprise, surprise, no, it does not. It can sometimes take 2 to 6 months for the insurance company to even pay off that loan, even if you have gap insurance and owe absolutely nothing. So you're still responsible for making the monthly payments on that car that's somewhere on a tow yard, right? Number 3, student loans. If you've got federal student loans in poor standing, you cannot get a government-backed mortgage. Now that's going to eliminate most of the best first-time homebuyer programs. So here's what you do. You go get on an income-based repayment plan. It's one phone call. You negotiate something which can be as low as $0 per month, depending on the situation. Or you get them back into deferred status, but you can't continue to ignore this. Number 4, co-signing on anything. Student loans for your kids, a car note for your teenager, whatever that is. So if you want to help, I get it, but buy your house first and then help second. Number 5, debt settlement companies. So these companies advertise a lot on television. They say that they're going to negotiate down your debts. But what happens is that they tell you to stop paying your bills. So you nuke your own credit report with dozens of lates and collections, and then they try to negotiate. Oh, and by the way, if they're successful, they take a massive cut of the settlement for themselves. If you want to buy a house in the next 2 to 3 years, this is one of the absolute worst things that you can do. So talk to a credit specialist or your mortgage lender before you sign up for anything like that. All right, follow us for more advice like this. We help Texas renters buy their first homes the right way.